Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to install Anaconda in Linux based operating system. For that, open the browser and just type Anaconda. Okay, then go to their official website and then just get started. Install Anaconda individual, your data science toolkit. Okay, download. Yeah. For Windows, these are the installation files. For Mac, these are the, and for Linux, these are the options. As I am using Linux 64-bit, so I will use this installer. Okay, I will cancel this for now, as I already downloaded it and placed it in my desktop. So now just open this location, open in terminal and then hit bash followed by space and then just drag and drop this and just remove those and just remove those codes. Just delete this and then hit enter. Then it will just prompt you, in order to continue the installation process, please review the license agreement. Just hit enter, and if you want to read those agreement you can just read, or else just hit enter. And finally, until you press yes or no, it will ask for the answer. So if you want agree, then hit yes. Then Anaconda 3 will now be installed into this location. Okay, if you want to confirm this location, then hit enter, or if you want to abort installation, Ctrl C. If you want to specify another location, then you have to specify it below. For me it's okay, so I will enter. Okay, if you want to update my installation, okay, as I already installed it, I can't do anything this further, so I will show you something after this. After this it will be like this. See, these are the steps I completed. So after that it will be like this: installation finished, and then it will ask you for confirmation, or it will ask you, do you wish to install do you wish the installer to prepend the Anaconda 3 install location to path, and it will show you a location. Then hit yes, so that it will show, it will write that path, or else it will be a long process. Long process means you have to manually write in that location, update in that location. So after the step, it will prompt for the downloading of Visual Studio Code. Type yes to install and no to decline. Okay, then to activate the installation, just paste this code in the terminal. So source.bash rc. After this, you can verify the installation using just hitting this command. Okay, wait a minute, I will clear this terminal. Okay, now Anaconda Navigator. Okay, it's loading. See, it started now. It will show you the console or the panel of the Anaconda Navigator. You can customize the Anaconda packages with this Anaconda Navigator. It's very useful and it's very helpful for data science enthusiasts to modify their environment. You can install, uninstall or update the packages using Conda. Okay, if you want to create, import or clone, these are the options for you. And if you want to create a new environment, just hit create, then type the environment name and then packages Python. I will select okay, 3.7 is enough. Okay, That's it. Jupyter notebook. It has various applications, various packages like Jupyter Labs, Jupyter Notebook, Qt Console, Spyder, VS Code, Glueviz, Orange Tree, and RStudio. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.